How to fix ElevenLabs Unusual Activity Detected. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your 11's lab has said that there is unusual activity detected. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is check your internet connection. So head over to your settings menu and head over to network or connection settings and check if you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If not, you're gonna have to switch to mobile network. So just tap on it. And now you're gonna have to turn on data roaming and try it this way. But if this does not work, then if your SIM manager does not work, then in that case, what you need to do is use some type of VPN that is available on Play Store for free and try to work with it. But if it's still not working, then you're going to have to contact ElevenLabs support. So you're going to have to click on submit a request. Now here, just choose your subject, enter your email address, and on your description, you can add saying that there is unusual activity detected on my account and I have not shared my account with anyone or something along those lines, and you can submit a report. They will contact you back on the email that you provide here and just follow the instruction afterwards. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.